Learn Estonian. May I?
Kas ma tohin?
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, glad you're here. Let's make Estonian permission phrases easy and fun. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to languages. For more tips and free practice, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today's star, may I, which in Estonian is,
Kas ma tohin?
think of it as your verbal key to open doors. Ready? Let's unlock some polite power. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll sound polite, clear, and confident. By the end, you'll use may I equals.
Kas ma tohin?
Naturally in everyday situations, leaving class, entering a room, or asking to speak to someone important. We'll also peek at related forms like
Kas ma võin?
and.
Kas tohib?
Short, sweet, powerful. Mini dialogues. Let's act it out, quick scenes you can copy. In class, you raise your hand, may I? You.
Kas ma tohin lahkuda?
May I leave? Teacher. Yes, go ahead. At the door, you knock, then ask.
Kas ma tohin sisse tulla?
May I come in? Friend. Come on in. Door, jokingly. I open for magic words only. On the phone, may I? You.
Kas ma tohin juhiga rääkida?
May I speak to the manager? Reception. One moment, please. Smooth and polite. Forms and nuance. Know the shades of politeness so you always sound right. Formal polite, may I?
Kas ma tohin?
Great in class, meetings, or with strangers. Neutral, can, may I?
Kas ma võin?
Common and friendly. General, is it allowed?
Kas tohib?
Used like a general permission check. Opposite idea.
Ma ei tohi.
Equals I may not. Handy for rules. Key words.
Luba.
Permission.
Lubama.
To allow, and movement, entry verb.
Sisenema.
To enter. You've got the toolkit. Memory hacks. Make.
Kas ma tohin?
Unforgettable. Rhyme. When I begin, I softly say, Estonian is.
Tohin.
May I today? Mnemonic. Think tohin, like, to hint, you politely hint for permission.
Kas ma tohin?
Movement. Step forward, stop, raise your hand slightly, say.
Kas ma tohin?
Loci. Imagine your front door mat reading.
Kas ma tohin?
Step on it whenever you need the phrase. Humor. A doorknob refuses to turn until it hears.
Kas ma tohin?
Then it spins like a fidget spinner. Boom, locked in. Culture tip. Sound naturally polite like a local. In Estonia, polite requests often start with
Kas?
so.
Kas ma tohin?
Feels respectful and clear. Keep your tone calm, cool as a crisp morning breeze, and you'll fit right in. Try it next time at Tallinn's Town Hall. A smile, a nod, and
Kas ma tohin sisse tulla?
smooth. Quiz time. Quick check. No stress, you've got this. 1. Which Estonian phrase politely asks for permission like, may I? Answer.
Kas ma tohin?
2. True or false?
Kas ma tohin?
Is used to give permission. Answer. False. It's used to ask for permission. 3. Fill the blank, phone, excuse me, _____, to speak to the manager. Answer.
Kas ma tohin juhiga rääkida?
4. Speed round. Say the neutral version of, may I? Answer.
Kas ma võin?
Bonus. General check.
Kas tohib?
Your speaking challenge. Now you, out loud, with confident rhythm. Say, may I leave?
kas ma tohin lahkuda?
Say, may I come in?
kas ma tohin sisse tulla?
Say, may I speak to the manager?
kas ma tohin juhiga rääkida?
Pro move. Contrast with, I may not.
ma ei tohi.
Nice. Goodbye from Synapse Lingo. You nailed it, polite Estonian unlocked. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, may I, equals.
kas ma tohin?
In your daily life and mix in.
kas ma võin?
And.
kas tohib?
For nuance. For more lessons, freebies, and smart drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time with Synapse Lingo.